Hello everyone, here I've got a Siku crane and it's an exclusive model. The normal version is a yellow Liebherr crane. And this is the Hercules version of that Liebherr crane. I believe it's only available in Germany and Poland. From Germany I'm 100% sure because I bought it in Germany. From Poland I'm not 100% sure, so if you are living in Poland and you know this model is available in your country, please let me know. So it's in a 187 scale from the brand Siku, known for his very good quality, both for children and collectors. Here we got some information about the Hercules company. So if you want to hire a big crane, this is the information you need. Okay, do we have more interesting information? Well, freeze the frame if you want to read it. And here we got the barcode and article number. Oh, and I will show you a picture right now of the regular yellow Liebherr crane. That one is available at many places, both online as in stores in Europe. So here we got the crane, 7 wheels in total on each side. So in real life, this is a pretty big crane. Let's have a closer look at it. So here, the cabin is made out of metal, good gray interior. Steering wheel is a little bit of a stump, but it is okay for this crane. Still looks pretty good. Then we're going to the back and we're going to already do this a little bit higher. We can see this is all metal right here. This part is plastic. This is also made out of metal. Even the counterweight is made out of metal. Cable is made out of rope. I believe it has to be in here. And you can control it with your hand. You hear these clicks. And that means it stay on its place when you put a weight on the end of the rope. Also the back made out of metal, painted rear lights. Then we have this also made out of metal. So the crane won't fall over if you put a heavy weight on it. The hydraulic system. So that is pretty high. Let's do it like this, so you can see it on the camera. Also got a lot of friction, so it's really strong. It won't go down by itself when you put some weight on it. Okay, let's give it some. Let's do it like this so you can see what I'm doing. So I'm giving some extra rope and you see this goes down and then we can pull this all the way up. I think I need something. I can use the Siku box. Do it like this. There we go. Oh, the other way. to use my other hand. There we go. So this is the max rope you get, and that is enough. It reaches all the way to the ground. Do I have some weight to hang on the end of the crane? Yes, I do. I have these Mammoet trucks also in a 1/87 scale, and it comes with some heavy weight. And I think it's perfect for this crane. Also a good match because of the scale. Convoy exceptional. We have some pictures on the box. The Mammoet company is not so far away from my house, and at this moment they have at that place in Westdorpen the biggest crane in the world. Definitely have to make a video of that. Yeah, I bought it for €12 at Stock Vermeersh in Brugge. Not sure if they still have this, but pretty glad I found it. Already did a review about these trucks. Okay, that's very well detailed. Heavy weight. And here we have the truck. And as you can see, it's very well detailed. Side mirrors, flashlights on top, rubber tires, metal cabin, metal truck, windscreen wipers, plastic double tires here in the back. Interesting profile on the tires. Lots of wheels here to carry the heavy load. This is made out of metal. So yeah, definitely a cool looking truck. Some extra tires there. So let's put it right here and see if the crane can handle this weight. F2. So I think this is good enough. Maybe we can a little bit closer together. Put it in the middle. Yeah, this is working. And this is pretty cool, I have to say. Oh, that's not cool. It can easily carry this load. Well, it is not so heavy. It's made out of plastic, but definitely looks cool. Very nice set. I also have this other one right here. I can show you that one as well. Why not? Bought it at the same store. And also comes with a heavy load. Oh. Okay, let's show the truck first. This is a Mercedes truck, and the other one was a Scania Mammoet. Not so much wheels. Load is probably not as heavy. Okay, there we go. Very cool truck. Okay, thanks for watching. Don't forget to smash the like button, and I'll see you soon. Bye.